Okay, so let me pick up where I left off. So we're still in presentation 5B. Here's another sample problem, and just take a minute to read about the situation of this customer who's named Sarah. So Sarah has euros and pounds, and she wants to sell them for dollars. The dealer has quoted her a rate for the pound in European terms and a rate for the euro in American terms. So how do we determine Sarah's proceeds from the sale of the two currencies? Well, first let's deal with Sarah's 250,000 euros. Sarah wants to sell the euros for dollars, which means the dealer will be selling dollars and buying euros. The quote is in American terms, where the euro is the asset, so the correct quote to use is the bid price on the euro, since that's what the dollar is buying. Specifically, the dealer is willing to buy a euro for $1 and let's see, 0.4739 cents. Now let's consider Sarah's 500,000 pounds. Sarah wants to sell the pounds for dollars, which means that the dealer will be selling dollars and buying pounds. We need the dealer's bid price on pounds, but the quotes provided for the pound are in European terms with the dollar as the asset. In other words, we need quotes in American terms in order to determine the bid price on the pound. Well, no problem. Just remember that the American term bid price is the reciprocal of the European term ask price. Given this relationship, we know that the dealer's bid price for pounds is 1 over 0.6493. At the bottom of the slide, you'll find the calculations of Sarah's proceeds from selling her euros and her pounds, as well as her total proceeds. Okay, last example. Take a minute to review the scenario and the quotes. In this case, the customer has dollars and British pounds, and he wants to convert both to euros. The dealer has provided a European term quote for pounds and also an American term quote for euros. Note that there's no pound to euro quotes provided here, so the customer is going to have to first convert his pounds to dollars and then convert those dollars to euros. Let's deal with this set of trades first. The buyer will sell pounds for dollars, which means that the dealer will be buying pounds and selling dollars. We need the bid price for pounds, which is simply the reciprocal of the European term ask price that is quoted. So the dealer's bid price for pounds is 1 over 0.6493. At this rate, the customer receives $770,060.06 for his pounds, which he would now like to convert to euros along with his other $100,000. The customer will be willing to sell dollars, the customer will be selling dollars for euros, which means that the dealer will be buying dollars and selling euros. So we need the dealer's bid price for dollars. Again, using the reciprocal relationship, we know that the bid price for dollars is the reciprocal of the American term ask price for euros. The result is that, after all transactions, the customer receives $664,269.4 euros. Sorry, couldn't get that out. To close out this section, let me remind you that in the interbank market, a standard trade involves the equivalent of 10 million US dollars. When dealers announce bid and ask quotes, that means they're willing to buy and sell up to $10 million at those quotes. As you can imagine, trading rooms are noisy, active places where spot rate quotes change rapidly and the stakes are high.